Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a delivery address onto your H&M account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hm.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official H&M website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in order to add a delivery address to your account, click on My Account at the top section. Click on Account Settings from this page, and now just scroll down and you will see the address option. Click on the Edit button, and now you will see your billing address as well as the delivery address option. Click on the Add New Address button, and now you can enter your first and your last name, followed by your street address, your apartment or your house number, along with your postcode, your city and your state. After entering all of these details, choose your country, and if you wish to use this address as your default one, click on Use as Default. Finally, click on the Save button, and now this address will be added as your delivery address within your account. And now every time you make an order, you will be able to quickly use this location as your default delivery address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a shipping address onto your H&M account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.